Arm exercises are not just a cornerstone of a balanced fitness routine, they are the very foundation of physical strength and appearance. And today we're going to delve into the world of arm exercises. First on our list is the biceps curl exercise, a classic move that targets the biceps brachii. This exercise is performed using a crossover cable device. Begin by setting the pulleys at your shoulder level, grasp the handles, and step forward to create tension. Keep your elbows close to the body and curl the handles towards your shoulders, then slowly return to the starting position. Next, we have lifting with chest muscles, a compound exercise that works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. You'll need a dumbbell for this. Lie on a flat bench with a dumbbell in each hand, push the weights up until your arms are fully extended, then lower them back down slowly. Our third exercise is the weightlifting exercise with tilt on a lifting bench. Start by lying back on a bench set to an incline angle and lift a barbell to shoulder height, palms facing away from you. Breathe out as you press up with your chest. Lock out your arms and squeeze your chest before returning slowly to the start position. Next is the triceps extension exercise with overhead lift. This exercise is performed using a crossover cable device. Stand up with your torso straight and a very small inclination forward. Using your upper arm stationary, exhale and extend your arms while you hold the cable at shoulder level. Return to the starting position while breathing in. Then we have the wide raise exercise. You'll need a barbell for weightlifting for this. Stand up straight with a barbell, palms facing your torso. While keeping the torso stationary, lift the barbell to you front and sides with a slight bend on the elbow and the hands slightly tilted forward as if pouring water in a glass. The sixth exercise is the overhead lift exercise while lying down. Lie on your back on a bench and hold a barbell at shoulder width. Breathe out as you press the bar up, extending your arms fully. Lower the bar back to the starting position as you breathe in. Our seventh exercise is the weightlifting exercise with tilt on a weightlifting bench. Lie back on an inclined bench with a barbell in each hand at shoulder width. As you breathe out, push the bar using your chest muscles. Lock your arms at the top, hold for a second, and then start coming down slowly. The final exercise is the chest press exercise on a chair tilted back, wide grip. For this, you'll need a barbell for weightlifting. Lie back on a bench and hold the barbell at shoulder width. As you breathe out, push the bar up. Lock your arms and squeeze your chest before coming down slowly. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more fitness content, and until next time, keep pushing, keep grinding, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself, because that's where true strength lies. Stay strong.